Okay, amigos, something as a Spanish person I have a lot is food envy. So we're in love with Asian cuisine, and the pork and chive dumpling is up here. How we can take it up here? Well, let me show you how, with a little bit of chorizo. So these pot stickers are the perfect way to start a meal. What I'm gonna do is a really nice spin, almost like a Spanish spin in a pot sticker. We're gonna use beautiful fresh prawns and beautiful fresh chorizo. We're gonna get a beautiful free-range chorizo, lots of paprika, lots of flavor. And what are you gonna do? Just cut it in little bits so the blades can go through it. This is what we had to do, okay? All the chorizo goes in one of these guys, one of these little choppers. Chop, chop. One garlic clove, boom, in there. And now, drive it like you stole it. Now, we still had to keep the personality integral, you know, like you had to put the chives. All the chives go in there. Now a little bit of the business. This is ketchup mayonnaise, better than soy sauce. It's got a little bit more sweetness and it's syrupy. So a little dribble of this and a little bit of sesame oil. And now the prawns. We just give it a quick rough chop too. Nice fresh prawns, ready to rock. We don't want to go too hard on it. Ladies and gentlemen, have a look at this. Ready to go. How we make the dumplings? Let me introduce you to one of the most amazing ingredients in the shelves of the supermarket. These goji wrappers. And all we do is just get a little bit of the mixture, okay, like one big tablespoon in the middle with your finger and just a little bit of water and just go around the edge very simply and into a half moon. Okay, make sure the edges touch each other. You put your finger in there and you fold away, and now a little bit of water in there, and you close them. Oh, okay, you got a perfect pot sticker. And to cook them is very simple. I'm gonna get a hot frying pan. I'm gonna make a few, and I'll show you a great way to cook them. Okay, so the technique, we need a lid and a non-stick pan, okay? And what we're gonna do is get a little bit of vegetable oil or light olive oil to start the business. So it's very important we build some heat so we get that lovely searing, that music to your ears right away. So what we're gonna do first is getting a little bit of color. Oh, now we're talking. Even if it's crazy, we got oil, we're gonna put some water. It's gonna do the steaming job. And that's when we close the lid. See you later. Okay, so when all the water is gone, hey, voila, switch off the heat. And now we're gonna get fresh ingredients through. So a few more of the chives, some of these really nice hot chilies. These, you know, anything really works in there. A little bit more of the sesame oil. Nice. A little bit more of the ketchup mayonnaise. Oh, shiny, sticky. And everything is becoming really nice and sticky and straight onto the plate. A little bit more of the sesame just for texture. Prawn and chorizo pot stickers. Done.